Hello guys, welcome back another video. Today in this video we will talk about Despara totally flesh capsules. So you should buy their supplements or not, and what are the major problems. So basically, first of all, if we talk about this brand is approx we can say 9 months from now, and this is a very newly launched brand, and they are you can like running so many advertisement on social media accounts, and they have different kinds of product like Despera Clean, and there are so many products on their official website. When you visit on their official website, they have lots of product, like you can say like view their all products, you can see they have like lots of product available. Okay, so if we talk about in the terms of presentation, they are available on internet, they have provided their contact information, they have provided their email address, they have also providing the customer products. So this is looking like a good thing. Okay, but there are some red flags also, so you should watch these red flags also. So the first red flag of this product or this brand is like you can see their reviews. They have two reviews on Trustpilot, like both two reviews are you can like very negative, and the first one is like don't waste your money and took very expensive. Yes, this is 100% true. The product is really expensive. Okay, so you can see like totally flush, this is a supplement, or you can like this is a capsule which is helpful in constipation, and the costing is you can say like $39. So this is really a costing product. Okay, now if we talk about, you can see there is a one more review that is you can like related to terrible customer support. So they are not providing good customer support also, so this is also a very big concern. Now let's talk about product reviews. When we checking their reviews, they have like a review section, and when we checking their reviews on internet, we found that their reviews is available on Fiverr. You can say like they have used their you can say like review section on Fiverr. They have you can say like paid reviews, you can say like pricing is 8,000 to 7,000 rupees and 9 days duration, spokesperson, and you can see the product is Despera. Okay, so they have taken some reviews on you can like trust you can like Fiverr also. So these all you can like tactics is not looking good thing. But if we talk about you should buy product or not, basically every brand, each and every brand is promoting their product, and they have these kind of options only. Okay, but the thing is you have to use this product or not. So basically you should use this product or not. So basically you can use the product, there is no problem, but the costing is a factor also. Okay, and if we talk about like results, so this supplement, definitely this supplement will really helpful, because this is only a totally flush supplement, but the costing is little bit high. So I would like to request brand, please reduce costing. And if we talk about like you should buy or not, so basically if you have money then you can try it, otherwise you can avoid, because there are so many product available on amazon.com. You can also try some other products. Okay, so this is the information. Now you can make your own decision. This is my honest information. Now you can, if you have any experience, you can share your thoughts in our comment box, and that's it. Okay, so thanks for watching this video, and bye bye.